Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about JD Chinese shopping app right here. And in today's video, I will show you on how to talk to sellers or how to communicate with seller on JD Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 168, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or idlefish, or JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your JD shopping app. So having opened up your JD shopping app, go ahead and search for the product. Then for you to talk to the seller, let's say for instance, I want to talk to this particular store right here. So what you need to do is to click on here to open up the product link. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on the products we are interested in. I'm interested in this, so I'll go ahead and simply open it. So this one right here, I'm interested in this. Then allow it to load up just like what you see right here. So we have the so many product picture right here. Then the next thing we want to do here is to come down below right here. We click on here to start chat with the store. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and we click on here to send the product link. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to send the product link. And this is the first means of communication to the store on JD shopping app. Lastly, before you can start chatting with the seller on JD shopping app, if you are not Chinese speaker, you need to make sure you can see the store has responded to my chat right here. Now, what you need to do is to start to communicate with them, and it is a very simple way. First thing first, assist from here. If you are non Chinese speaker, make sure you download and install Google Translate on your phone right here. So for every Android phone user, go ahead and open up your Play Store. Then for every iPhone user, go ahead and open up your App Store, click on search, and go ahead and make sure you type in Google Translate, hit on search. Then it's going to take you right here. Then as at the time of making this video, over 1 billion people are installed and use this app. So go ahead and download and install it and hit on open after a successful download. So hit on open right here, and it's going to automatically connect and take you to the interface right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you set your primary language and translate to Chinese Simplified. So what we want to do next is to come to the enter text. Then we can say, hello, my friend, is this item available in store right now? I want to place order. Just go straight to the business. Then go ahead and click on copy the text in Chinese. Then go back to your JD shopping app right here. Click on here. Then paste the text and hit on send. Then your message has been successfully delivered, just like so. So if the seller are very much active online, they will read the message and reply to your message instantly without any delay. You can see their response right here. Now, how do you read and translate this response? Go ahead and make a screenshot. And having made a screenshot, access from your JD shopping app right here. Then proceed to your Chrome browser. On getting to your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to go ahead, simply click on this camera icon right here. Then go ahead and upload your screenshot. Go ahead and choose translate. Here we go. Then you see all items that can be ordered are available. So you can buy with confidence. It's that simple. So you can go on and ask different questions. If you want discount, ask them If you want customized, ask them anything you need to ask them. If it is voluntarily, if it is warrant you upload a custom logo, click on this plus sign right here, and then you have different options right here. So if it is a picture, click on here to upload a picture. If it is a live camera you want to do, go ahead and click on here and send a live video camera of a product picture sample you want to the seller right here. You can talk as many as possible with the seller in the chat box right here on jd.com shopping app. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship and import product from China using jdshoppingapp.com, consider to subscribe. Lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 168, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.